I'm in an area of London known as Mayfair, and I'm on Brook Street now. And if you look, you can see a house with an alleyway to the left there, that white house. That is the home, or was the home, of Jimi Hendrix, the guitarist. He lived here from 1968 to the end of 1969. There's a little store at the bottom. I believe that was a restaurant during the time that he lived here, because I've read several articles that mentions him going downstairs to a restaurant below his house. So that must have been what that was. You'll notice a blue sign on that. That's a historical marker. You'll notice to the right of it, the other building has one as well. Now, funny thing was, that was a famous composer, I think from the 1700s, known as Handel. And so two historical buildings side by side, but the one I'm here to see today is this white one, which is the home of Jimi Hendrix. And it is set up as a museum today. It's £7.50 to go inside to tour it, as of this recording, which is done in late 2018. The address of this home is 23 Brook Street, if you want to come and see it. And again, it's in the Mayfair area of London. Okay, I'm across town a little bit, still in London. This area is called Notting Hill. And the street I'm on is Lansdowne Crescent. And I'm going to number 22 Lansdowne Crescent, which is the spot where Jimi Hendrix was when he died. He was 27 years old, and he died 18 September 1970 of a drug overdose. Now this house, you have to really look for it because it's not marked in any way. They're probably not too thrilled with all the publicity the house brings in. But if you're a Jimi Hendrix fan, it's interesting to see this place. And there it is right there. I think at the point when he died, it was actually a hotel. It may still be, but I believe it's a private residence. All right, thanks for watching.